In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can decrypt PGP messages with Kleopatra. If this video does help you out, please make sure you leave a like and also subscribe for more videos. So in the past I made a video showing you how you can use Kleopatra to encrypt messages, but for some reason I forgot to include how you can decrypt them. So here's that video. If you want to learn how you can use the basics of Kleopatra and just get an overview of the software, I'll leave a link or a card on screen to that video, so go and watch that one first. So for someone to send you an encrypted message, they're first going to need your PGP key. So to get that, you want to right click on your name in Kleopatra and then click export. And you can just export your PGP key to anywhere. I'm going to export mine to the documents and I'm just going to call it PGP. Once you've done that, head over to where you've saved it to. And you want to right click and open it with Notepad. Once you've opened it with Notepad, here's going to be your public key, which someone's going to need to send you an encrypted message. So copy the whole thing. Again, it starts from the first dash and ends on the last dash. Once you've got that copied, you can then give that to someone that wants to send you an encrypted message. I'm going to use this tool here to just simulate me receiving an encrypted message. So I'm going to enter in my public key and we're just going to type, "Hi, this is a message." And we're just going to click encrypt message. So when someone's encrypted a message, it will look like this, and you'll obviously receive it however you want to receive the message. What you'll then need to do is copy the encrypted message like you would do with a PGP key and head to Kleopatra. Once you're in Kleopatra, click Tools and head over to Clipboard, and you want to click on Decrypt/Verify. Click on that and it's going to start to decrypt the message. You're going to have to enter in your passphrase. And then if you get any error message like this, decryption failed, just click force decryption and it should say decryption succeeded. Then you can click finish and it'll be copied to your clipboard. Then you can open up any text editor, paste it in, and you'll get all of the contents of the message. So that's how you can decrypt a message on Kleopatra. If that did help you out, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.